Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about the Yaheetech dining chairs, the perfect addition to your dining room, kitchen, or living room. These chairs are a combination of synthetic rattan and faux leather, providing both style and comfort. The smooth pool leather upholstery ensures hours of comfort during meals or socializing, while the breathable mesh rattan back provides a cool and dry experience even after prolonged contact. These chairs are not only stylish but durable too, with strong rubberwood backrest frame and soft foam padding for consistent support and comfort. Maintenance is a breeze with these chairs, as spills are virtually unavoidable while dining with families. The water-resistant and maintenance-friendly materials make it easy to keep them clean, with just a damp cloth. With adjustable levelers and plastic foot caps, you can be sure these chairs will stay balanced and protect your floors, no matter the surface. And the best part? These armless dining chairs come in a set of 2 and can be used in different settings, such as dining rooms, kitchens, living rooms, home offices, parties, banquets, and more. So, if you're in the market for stylish and durable dining chairs, be sure to check out the Yaheetech dining chairs through the link in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great reviews and product recommendations. Happy shopping!